Right, what is up, chat? Long time no see. Just kidding, it's been a week. So because I'm running a little late today, let me put you guys down real quick. Yes sir, what's going on, guys? What's up, everybody? Arkel15 here. Today we are coming with a new video. Nah, I'm just being silly, but in all honesty, in the last video we showed you guys our new pickup. Since that last video has happened, I haven't recorded anything. Oops, I'm sorry. But the cool part is, because we are at the shop today, we have to do some moving around of cars and play a little car roulette, because I need to create some more space in the shop side anyways, for new projects. Yeah, that works. So as you can see, I moved Silver Z a little further back, which cleared out all this space right here. Some of the other cars that are in here, like the Honda, BMW, things like that, those are gonna get relocated. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the Silver Z in here, but Red Z is actually coming out. We need to get some of these cars, like I said, rearranged. It's a gloomy day outside. I'm feeling very unmotivated, chat, and realistically, maybe it'll get the mood up. So first order of business, because my camera's gonna die, we're gonna open this garage up and then get this car out. Yeah, I don't know. You're sitting on the 240 though. The red one, because now I have two. I just went and told you guys I was gonna move this car. I don't even have the keys for it. Let's go get the keys.
A few moments later.
I guess we could do this angle. All right, fuck it. So, for those who don't know, here is my 1990 Nissan 240 SX. It is a very stockish car for the most part, and I'm not mad at that at all. I'm actually doing a VQ swap on it, and yeah, that's later on in the videos. Anyways, today's video is a bit unexpected. I actually just happened to run into Walmart for regular groceries and came across these things. Actual, like, brand new
Yes, sir.
that bolt up for this H6054. For those people who don't know, these are the exact bolts. So since I got both of them for 10 bucks, why not just upgrade our headlights and go from there? And also, I wish I could show you a comparison of the old versus new, but battery's not hooked up and it's not even worth it. Because I have the headlight out and exposed like this, I'm just gonna take something to clean it up in there before I put the new bulb in. Alright, that's clean. Let's compare it to the new one. Obviously, so here's the old comparison versus the new. And as you can see, this one obviously is much clearer and cleaner than this. So yeah, let's swap them out.
A few moments later.
So forgot, I turned my camera off to charge, but chat, we got one out and a new one in. So you can see the difference in the two. I mean, they're night and day. Let me just finish this fully, but I gotta bolt it back up. Wanted to show you guys, man, that makes such a difference. that, my friends, is the new look. Now let's tackle the other side. All right, chat. Did some painting on the liner of the headlight. So 240s, pretty simple. This kind of goes in the front like this. Then from here it gets bolted back in. Piece goes on. Start back. The headlight sits in like that. And this part's pretty simple. We just bolt it back in. Reverse. And just like that, we're done.
Yes, sir.
But yes, sir, we completely finished it up. Here's how it looks. So these are the new headlights in comparison to the old ones. This one was one, this one was the other. This trim is actually still pretty good. I should have reused it, but I didn't want to keep fighting with these bolts. So luckily I had a spare headlight we just pulled from to get the back housing. But we painted it. So they both got a little paint treatment. And yeah, little progress. I mean, shoot. I paid 10 bucks for the headlights. I already had this spray, so it made it pretty easier. So one thing at a time. But let me know what you guys think about this mod or that little headlight trick. Maybe you can go and find the headlights yourself for 5 bucks as well at Walmart, like I did. Sure was a steal. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Who knows? We'll probably have some more 240 mods coming up within the next video or two. But yeah, that's it for now. See you guys next time. Peace.
Yeah.